Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another massive super episode right here on this channel. In this video we are going to look at how to delete a file in Python. So deleting files is a common operation when working with Python, and this presentation covers how to safely remove files using Python's built-in models with proper error handling to ensure your code runs smoothly. So we'll explore the standard approach using the OS model along some best practices to actually avoid common pitfalls when managing file operations in your Python programs. So we'll use the OS model to delete some files. So here is a basic file deletion code where we import OS, and then we use the try, and then we do delete a single file code. So do well to run through this code, run it in your VS Code, let us know how it went, and then all you just have to do is specify some text here, okay, that you have on your PC. So the os.remove function is a standard way to actually delete files in Python with proper error handling for common exceptions, and always include error handling when actually performing file operations to make your code robust against missing files and permission issues and other potential problems. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you once again. Try it out, let us know how it went in the comment section. Let's head to the next in the 500